until it's nice and soft. That's because she's giving me
It's almost like Play-Doh.
yeah. But it's more thick.
Nice fold.
Hi guys, today we're gonna be making chicken butt. Today my mom is gonna be my assistant. Okay guys. The thing you need is special one flavor
flowers. And we recommend this brand, the Red Lotus.
Red Lotus bun. Okay. What
Then
else?
we will have yeast,
Oh yeah.
What else?
then domino sugar. You could use any kind of sugar. If you use brown sugar, then
And then?
water. It's the lesson with
And what we need?
a giant bowl.
Big as your head.
Okay, here. First you have to add all the flowers.
Flour.
You need mommy help? Or
Is
you
that
can do
enough?
Oh,
That's
everything.
it. Just a little bit.
Can you do?
Why are you using the whole thing?
Because we have so many people who wanna try. Oh, hold on. Second, sugar.
Second ingredient.
Sugar
Check it.
Look, Mom, look.
is the sugar.
Check it.
I already poured a lot.
A little bit. That's good. Next,
Next is the yeast, right?
but just a little bit, okay?
Can you?
And mommy help.
Oh, tight.
Mommy help.
Yes.
Okay,
That
and then-
much.
That much.
Not yet. You have to mix with your hand first.
Mix the flour first, yeah.
How do you feel?
Cool.
Nice and fluffy.
And then we're gonna make in the middle,
In the
like a
middle?
hole. We not add so much. We add a little bit at a time.
Yeah. Starting to feel like dough. Except it's not like
Okay.
dough.
Hold on. Let me make in the middle. Two hand.
Just
Yeah.
two hand.
Sticky.
It's okay. We'll wash it later. What are we doing? What are we looking for?
Making dough.
I know, but what are we looking, Mommy? Nice and soft, nice and firm.
Nice and firm until it's not stick. อ่ะหยุดก่อนหยุดวิดีโอ
You can add a tiny drip of water. Mom, can I add a tiny drip?
Yes, you can, but you say yes. Go on.
Just not easy. We don't have no more baby.
Button until it's so,
Dough.
until it's like this. You
And we're gonna
mix
leave it for 15 minutes to 30 minutes.
Yeah, and then we'll be back, okay, guys?
Yeah, it's gonna get bigger and then that is ready, right?
And then we'll come back. We're gonna see. Turn the camera. It still has to be on video.
Yes, I am on video. Squeeze. Show them how to squeeze them.
I'm gonna keep squeezing
Uh,
it
bye,
until
bye.
15 or 13
Bye, bye.
minutes.
And you have to wash your hand too, right?
I did.
Okay, now you have to wrap it with the plastic wrap and we come back. Okay, let's help each other. Hold on. Thank you so much. Good job. Another side because the bowl is so big. We need. Okay, cut for mommy, please. Thank you, my helper. Make sure cover, no air in.
Cover, no air in, nice and
Make
tight.
sure.
I'll be coming back in 30 minutes.
And
And the dough will be nice and beautiful and puffy. Almost big enough that it will.
Okay, action.
Now we massage the dough until it's nice and soft.
It looks pretty nice and soft already.
That's because she's giving me
It's
this.
almost like a Play-Doh, isn't it?
Yeah. It's more thick.
นะคะแล้วก็ and
Now I am massaging the dough.
Wow, you have to have a
If you
strong
don't,
arm.
if you don't have a strong arm, you can ask your parent. I almost ate it.
So you can ask your parents for helping in this massaging dough.
So, I'm gonna roll it into a long string before I'm gonna fold it because it's more
Okay.
easier.
That's what's next.
I'm gonna wrap it after you massage it for 10 minutes, which I've been doing for about 20 minutes maybe. About half of 10 minutes. I've been doing this for 5 minutes already. You need a strong arm to do this. You can ask a grown-up or a parent. After I massage it for 10 minutes, I'm gonna put it into the bowl. Now I'm stretching it out. Okay, now this is sticky.
That's why you need a strong arm, right?
Okay, put in the bowl. Okay, put in the bowl and then wrapping it.
Yep.
Yes,
Oh, nice. Leave it.
And cover it. Slowly, gentle. Let mommy help you.
Ah, it's ripped.
No, it's okay. Let mommy help. Pull. Pull. Pull the plastic.
We're gonna leave it for 30 minutes and come back. Next, we're gonna be making the filling. As you see, I am mixing up
Naba.
this naba
And red onion ground.
and red onion brown
Next,
mix. Next,
ground chicken.
ground chicken. We put it in the same place. We just start to mash it up. Ground chicken. Go. Just chopping the lines.
Nice. Mix them up nice.
It takes hard work to do this.
Can mommy help? And you add
Sure.
the sesame oil. Next,
Assistant chef.
Next,
half, a little bit gentle. Half of them, not enough.
Yeah.
Okay,
Nice.
now become a 1 spoon of sesame oil and white pepper.
white pepper.
Guys, show the audience what kind of pepper is that.
White.
Because people want to see the label.
Show the label.
White pepper.
Like pepper.
Just gonna sprinkle a little.
Just a little bit. More. It's okay.
Why
That's
do you
good.
want more?
Perfect.
Just that.
Because it tastes good.
Next,
You like spice.
I do. Yes.
That's why you. Huh?
what is that? Show them
Salt.
first.
Salt.
So what kind of salt is that?
Sea salt.
Oh.
A tablespoon.
No, just a little bit, not much. Put on spoon.
Yeah, on the spoon.
Okay. So before he just add around this already. No, not too much. For safe, you put on the spoon first. So if it's too much, you can just throw away.
We're gonna later be using the gummy sugar.
Yes, please.
Wait, you're putting it now.
How much sugar?
A
I'm
little
gonna
bit. Oh.
add a tiny sprinkle each time.
That's good.
That's good.
Thank you.
Perfect. Not too sweet.
That's it.
Okay.
So now it's ready.
Yeah.
Filling.
Yeah, the filling looks like that. Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make the beak of the bun we did in last episode.
Because now,
What are you doing right now?
show this.
Mixing all the
color.
dough together so it
When the
doesn't
dough
get
is ready, it's like getting bigger, and then we're gonna mix the color.
And then if you mix it all together really good, it starts to look like this.
Open it. You want to mix yellow or you want to mix red?
Yellow.
Okay. So we're gonna make a cutie bun because it's a chicken bun. So Patrick wanna make a beak and hen. Okay.
So you put the color in the dough, and then you just make the dough.
Yeah.
Then
that's
that will
all.
become the color for the. What color is that, Pat?
Beak. Yellow.
Yellow, right? Yellow will become the beak.
Keep mixing it until it's yellow.
Yep, exactly. It's gonna be fully yellow.
Hi. So when we got the dough, like in the bowl here, you can come closer. So we grab like a ball size and make it flat. So we make another colors yellow to make a beak. Beak.
Beak.
And this one is gonna be the hen, right? Because we're gonna make it look like a chicken. And this is the ground chicken that we mixed already by Patrick. So we're gonna
There's
scoop
no
in the
way
middle.
clean my toilet.
Yeah, now he did see. And then you try to fold it. I think I can add some more. Oh my god, oh maybe too much. Okay, use the finger, press it and keep continue. It close. That's it, and then we're gonna make it special. Use a little yellow. Now it's still wet because it's cobble well, but if not, you can just you know, touch with the water a little bit. So this is gonna be big. And we're gonna make a hand like this. And then we're gonna use the scissor to cut 1, 2. When it's open like this, you can just press it by your finger to make a beak. Oh, not beak, hand. And then you cut through this, like you can see. And any food coloring that we have, we mix together to make it dark. And we use the thing to dot the eye. And we're gonna put on the paper. And then that's it. Our chicken bun.
Mom, can I see the chicken bun?
Come.
Hi guys, today we're gonna be showing you how to make this little cute chicken bun. My mom is gonna show you. And in case if you don't know how it looks like, here's a review of the chicken bun.
What do you see there?
So first, my mom have the dough, from here.
Yep.
Okay, guys.
Yeah,
You can see
and
from
there's
here.
a filling.
We
There's a
grab
food
it.
coloring for eyes.
And then we make it flat
Yeah.
to put the filling. So how about a brick and hand?
And
How
then
do
we
you do
use
it?
the red. The
Oh my
red
God.
one is for the head. The yellow one is for the beak.
So mama gonna
Okay.
turn. Oh my god, Patrick go to play already. If you don't, you know, do the face, you can do like this and put on the paper. Also fine too, right? Next, I'm gonna show you how to do the chicken face, cute face. Okay, put the filling in the middle, and then wrap it the same way.
Wing.
ค่ะ อันนี้ก็จะเนียนเพราะว่าเราใช้ไม้กลิ้ง อันนี้แบบใช้มือปั้นไม่เนียนหน้าก็จะเป็นอย่างนี้นะ อุ้ยน้องไก่สไลด์ แล้วก็เราเปลี่ยนจากที่แต้มสีเพราะว่ามันกระจายเปลี่ยนมาเป็นปั้นแป้งเล็กๆทำเป็นลูกกระตาแทนนะคะอันนี้ก็ตั้งเดือด เราก็เอาวางไปเลยนะคะเดี๋ยวเราจะสตรีมสัก 8 นาทีนะคะ8 minutes